Good morning, all my subscribers. This morning we have another project. I wonder if who of you ever saw some of these type of product from Pratley. Pratley is a South African brand company and situated in Krugersdorp in Gauteng. They mainly making all this type of over the years glues, glands, and all type of electrical products. But the ones we everyday use is just, it's not actually this frog eggs. I'm going to show you now what's going on here, but this is the glue. Everybody here in South Africa know this stuff. This is the 2-part mixture, Pratley quick set clear, and then you get this Pratley putty. This is a quick set putty when you want to mold something, and this is another different one, steel putty for steel products. So they've got a lot of products, as I say, but this is the latest one of their products. So 1 or 2 years on the market. This is a very funny thing. It consists out of small plastic beads, or this special type of glue. You put it in warm water and then it's getting soft. Then you can make your own, like a screwdriver handle, or you fix something. I've got this electrical door opener. It's like an enclosure that the electrical people use. I'm gonna just put this handle is broken off. I'm gonna put a piece of make a handle of, let me just open this thing and I can show you how it looks inside. There's obviously the instructions, and look here, it looks like frog eggs, all those plastic beads. And what is nice of this, after you use it, you can warm it up again, and then it gets soft again, and then you can mold a new thing for you. So you get this in bigger packages also, but this is just a basic package size. Okay, I'm gonna get some warm water, put this frog eggs in. I'm gonna show you how it goes, how it works, and then I'm gonna mold myself a new handles to this side here, and let's see how it works. Okay, I have some hot water here. I'm just gonna hope the steam doesn't affect. Just put it here away from the from the lens. Then I'm gonna take this. Seems like I'm gonna measure some of them, more or less what I need, and I'm gonna put it in here. Let's put this away. Then we're gonna take screwdriver. See, now you can see what's happening inside here. Now look at the stuff. It starts getting melted. We just keep it a little bit longer here until this stuff is all melting. They all get all glassy. You can see inside here. They get all see-through now. Look how it's all see-through already. Now let me just keep it a little bit longer there. Where's my I'm gonna get this thing ready to start making my new handle. You can see it's all malleable now. Look what's happening here. Now it's all see-through. Now you take your product and you can start molding your new handle. You can always put this in a mold or something, or make it nice. Just to grab it. You get the idea what I'm trying to do here. See, now I can already see it's starting to getting opaque again as it cools off. You can also maybe drill a hole, mold it, file it when you finish. And that's it. Okay, now put the water on side. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just wait until it gets dried completely. And then I'm going to show you then how it looks. Okay, now you can see, now look at the color. Now it's all white again. It looks the same as the ones in the packet. Now it's hard like stone. Now you can go and you can drill maybe a hole here for your keyring. Let's put the hole in here. It's like plastic. Then you're gonna put a nice keyring in here, and it's strong as you can believe it. It's very, very, very strong. But what's nice is now when you finish with this thing, you can put it back in the water. I'll just go put it back in the water quickly. I'll get some new warm water, then I'll show you. Okay, I made a new cup of warm water. Then I'm going to put it inside there again. Let's just see how it gets all see-through again. I'm going to take it off, put it in the packet, use it next time. So you can just see this thing's got it getting sticky. Get stuck on my screwdriver, so it's very, very stick to whatever you use it on. You can see in the sides here, it starts getting all gooey. We're just gonna get it, the heat goes through, and then I'll pull it off of that handle. See, now it's because it's now a little bit thicker. It's take a little bit longer for the heat to go through, obviously. Okay, now this thing is off. There's the old handle. So here's the glue. You just take all the water out, and now you can just mold it again for your next job or whatever. Or I'm just gonna put this like this, and then just put the water away. Then you take this stuff and you can just put it inside your packet again, and you can go use it next time again. So this is very, very nice stuff. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Very interesting to have this type of glue. Not everybody knows about this. As you can see, this is like frog eggs. You can get it from in South Africa from the local hardware store, or maybe you can buy it online from Pratley, this brand. They can also look out for all their products. They've got fantastic products. There's another thing from Pratley that they say, it's just like a statement. If they can't make it better than anybody else in the world, they won't make it. So you will know if you buy a Pratley product, it is the best. So by the way, I just want to show you here. You'll see here, they actually put some of the glue between two plates and hang a bulldozer between the sideways of that plates, glued plates on a sling. And they actually, the owners stood underneath that bulldozer while it's hanging there, and I believe it's still hanging in front of head office. So they so much confident in their product that they will be able to prove that they can stand under that bulldozer and it won't come loose. So this is how I know it all my life. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.